Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include leather seats, steering wheel controls, blind spot monitor, hands-free Bluetooth integration, Uconnect system. You are going to love the 2018 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.